how to remove or how to turn off remove photosensitive videos on your TikTok. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First, you will just go and open your TikTok. After this, when your TikTok is opening, you will just go down here on your profile, open your profile. Then on your profile, guys, you have to go to this three line, click on it, and then go to settings and privacy, click on it, and then guys, you have to go down to accessibility. Click on accessibility, then you have to go to remove photosensitive videos. And as you see here, you have to turn off this by clicking here on this place and make it look like this. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.